Hey, what's going on guys? Jackson here. Welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell stocks inside Webull desktop app. Now if you haven't already, I switched from Robinhood to Webull probably around the February timeframe, and I have not looked back. Webull is just a so much better user interface for power users like me who really want to take the most advantage of the brokerages that they have at their disposal. After creating an account and signing in, you will be provided to create either a PIN or unlock your account if you've already created a PIN. So I'll be doing this now. I'll go ahead and type in my PIN. And here you're greeted with all of your accounts that you have, so all of the positions that you've taken, and then your account balance and your total profit, and all those various types of things. So in order to buy a stock, what you want to do is come up here to the top that says name or symbol and type in the stock that you like. So I've been very bullish on LPX. I own about $1,000 worth of them. So I'll click on the stock itself, and you can see you have this chart here. This will tell you everything about the stock on what it's doing. I bought this stock around $63 in this account, and you see it's risen up a little bit, it's gone back down, all these different things, but I want to buy more now that it's going down. So what I can do is come over here to the right-hand side. So I'm going to move this trading widget over to this side. I'll go ahead and pop it out just so it's easier to see. And what we want to do is we're going to place a market order for buying, let's say, 10 shares of LPX. What you can do is you can go in here, and then Webull gives you the opportunity to have take profits and stop losses. So if the price goes too low, it will execute a market order at this stock price, and if it goes too high, it will execute a market order at this price. So you can use these as your tools, as your friends, in order to either mitigate some risk that you're taking on these positions. So once you have this, you go ahead and click buy. It's not available to take this order right now because the market's closed, but that's how you would do it. Now, the reverse is true. Let's say I wanted to sell a stock. So for this example, I'll be going with RDN for Radian. What I really like about Webull, again, is just being able to right-click on it and click Close Position. This will just give you a really quick way you're able to sell the securities you already have. So this is a single stock I want to sell. I want to sell all of them. If you don't want to sell all of them, then you can backtrack a few. You're able just to manually type in a number too if you want to do that. I feel like I'm going to sell like 7 of them, but I want to sell all 10. I like changing this to a market order, so I just know it will automatically get filled. And this is not an extended hour. So I could, if I wanted to, I could set this for a limit. I could put in a custom price, and then I could say good till cancel. GTC stands for good to cancel. So it will stay until you cancel it, or 60 days, whichever is sooner. Once that happens, it will tell me all of the info down here. I can click place order. Normally it would execute right away, but the market's not open now, so it's not going to. So if you have enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like on it, as it really does help the channel out. And ever since I have switched from Robinhood to Webull, I really have enjoyed it. I have a lot more content coming up on how you can take advantage of Webull's powerful features, so be sure to hit the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing videos like that. With that being said, guys, thanks again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.